Y'all know I gotta give y'all an update. We done finally made our move, obviously. And I got y'all right here on the 4 hourly. Y'all see the blue line? I already said was resistance. Y'all see one tap to the blue, two taps to the blue, and the third tap right here. And like I said, it's gonna go a little higher just to fake everybody out and to recover everything that y'all put in since its initial jump when they made y'all think it was a bull market as in the markup phase. But I already told y'all that they're gonna smash straight down. Y'all see this extremely large candlestick right through this resistance level right here slash support level. Like I always tell y'all, they gotta do that to break through these levels and make it obvious of what they're doing. So it don't seem as though they're really scamming you, because they're not scamming you. Because I'm telling y'all how they work the markets. And y'all clearly see by now, if y'all been watching my content, everything is going according to plan. Because I can read these charts. They can read these charts. And I'm teaching y'all how to read the charts. So anyways, like I told y'all before, the real mean drop was going to start around 18.5. And guess where we at? Right here where it stopped around. With this blue candle, not blue, but the green candlestick right here. Around 18.5. I told y'all from 18.5 is the extreme danger zone. This one we're gonna make our crazy drop down to at least $14,000. At least. We could go down to $10,000. Hell, we could go down to $5,000. But most likely it's gonna either be $14,000 or $10,000 we're going to after we drop below this 18.5. As y'all can see, like I showed y'all the green candlestick, so it's trying to level price out right here, because I told y'all this is where the real drop is going to happen at. So I hit y'all on the daily. Once again, y'all see the blue line. 1, 2, 3 hits, drop. Also, as y'all can see right here on the small time frame, let me go back to the 4 hourly so y'all can see this, so y'all can understand how these markets really work. Y'all can see this is one drop right here, right? Y'all look to the side, two drops. Boom, right here, once it hit here, the exact same level, it was exactly where the 100 EMA was on the 4 hourly. It made this drop for the third time and went down. It works the exact same way as going down as it is going up, like I always show y'all. Now back to the daily. Y'all see the hits up here, and also on a 50 EMA, which is this blue line. One hit, two hits. This is the technical. All of this is the third hit to the top. And now it's a clear rejection of the third hit. So this is confirmation we're going down. As y'all can see, the main resistance level, which is what I just showed y'all right here. This orange line is danger zone. And the real danger zone right here, this red line, is 18.5. And as y'all can see, the daily literally closed at 18.5. So tomorrow, it could start off at 18.5 right now. They can either come up and recover half this candlestick, come up here around like 20,000, right? They could do that and then drop down, or they could just continue to drop down. Because like I said, after they done made it clear as day what they're trying to do now. There's nothing else they can do besides what they feel like doing. But overall, it's showing that it's going down. And I already explained this, and y'all seen everything play out by now. So, or we could just come up here to this support level, right, and get rejected around 19,200, and then we continue our way on down to the downside. And this is on a daily chart. So I gotta expand out large on the weekly, because things about to start really moving. As y'all can see, I already have this chart up, and I'm expecting after we drop below this level right here at 18.5, I believe we should be visiting $10,000 to complete this overall head and shoulder formation on the weekly chart. And like I showed y'all before, I believe we come back up here for retracement of 14,000. As y'all can see to the left, already resistance right here, the green line. As y'all see between the candlesticks, the green line, half of that candlestick. Boom, so that's why I believe around 14,000 will get rejected again, and then we'll come down and recover all the way down to $5,500. But keep in mind, when we're around $10,000, at any point in time, it could continue to drop. As in, we may not even get the recovery up to 14,000. We could just continue down to 5,000 and then just stay above 10,000, and just stay in the general zone of 10 to 14,000 until they feel like coming back up above. Because the confirmation of the uptrend is when we get a bounce off 14,000, and then that's confirmation of an uptrend. So we sitting here between 10 to 14,000. That's not confirmation yet. We have to get a bounce up above 14,000, and then that is confirmation that we are heading for the upside. Hit y'all on the monthly. On the monthly, it's a large pattern formation. Got the M to the dub right here. We are in the retracement, which is this large head and shoulder formation. So within the monthly, we could drop down to 5,000, but we have to stay and keep our closes above $10,000 to validate this pattern that we have going on right here. So we can go ahead and continue on to level one. Because like I always tell y'all, American makers love doing things by threes. And this is a clear hit one to the top. 1, 2, which means the third time we come up here around 60,000, we're breaking through, and that's when we're going to actually see that $100,000, $120,000 Bitcoin once we make the reversal. Because like I say, the exact same pattern works on all time frames, and I showed y'all and proved this to y'all multiple times, countless times at that. But yeah, man, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.